You know, I think we have to be realistic, and it's important that both the DMR and Labour understand that this is a very, very serious situation that the platinum industry finds itself in. I mean, today we had a headline loss of £1.5 billion. We had an operating loss of £6.5 billion. You know, we lost as a result of the strikes. We lost, you know, £6.5 billion. But the fact is that the prices have dropped by 11% on a dollar basket price. It's been helped to some extent by the rand exchange rate, but at the same time, for example, we've seen rhodium drop 37%. There's a number of these structural issues, the difficulties in Europe, the fact that demand is decreasing, not increasing. A number of these structural changes are not going to go away just because we're in a very tough negotiation process. And for that reason, I think it is important that we go into these consultation processes and that people know that this wasn't a knee-jerk reaction. We've done a lot of work over it with a lot of, you know, not only our own people, but external parties. And we've done, you know, come up with these proposals. Now, we need to be open-minded in the consultation process. And I think that's what we're saying. We need to say this is very serious. It isn't just going to go away because the negotiations are tough. And at the same time, though, we would open our minds to potential solutions that maybe we haven't thought of, or perhaps under different circumstances, for example, government involvement, there may, you know, collectively then there may be a different scenario that emerges. But other than that, I do admit that I find it difficult to believe that, you know, that all of this will go away. This business is not just going to get fixed by us all putting our heads down and hoping for the best for a little while. We have engaged with our regulator. I think we have got most of those issues solved. And we need to get on now and look at what needs to be done. At the same time, you know, a business has to have the right to be profitable. We can't continue having loss-making shafts forever. We can't continue having a situation where the company makes a loss. Our debt levels rose from 3 billion rand to 10.5 billion rand in this 1 year. You can't keep on continuing to do that. We went back to our shareholders 2 years ago. We asked them to put 12.5 billion rand into this company. They did that. They're not going to be willing to do that again in a couple of years' time. We need to turn this business around. And it's not only for the shareholders of this business. The fact is that everyone in South Africa benefits when this company makes a profit.